Good morning. I forgot to film the end result of the Thai green curry last night.
It was pretty good though.
I reckon that's the best one I've ever done.
It's very hot.
So yeah, it was spicy, eh?
Oh yeah.
Ended up adding capsicum. What else?
Pumpkin.
Broccolini, pumpkin. I think I filmed the pumpkin. I added more stuff after I was filming for YouTube, but yeah, she was nice. Best one I ever done. Nice and spicy, but it's not going to be a nice day today. It's Wednesday today, so we've got Maryborough Market tomorrow. But, looks like the rain's finished.
Might be a couple of little showers, not much though.
We're going to wash the high ace today, aren't we?
Yeah.
She needs a wash. She's filthy. So, yeah, we might give that a wash today. You can see how dirty the old girl is. We do have to wash the caravan as well. I don't know if we'll get that done today. So I want to give it a full-on detail. We've got a heap of new products. So yeah, full-on detail and a polish. She ain't too bad. Bit of dust on the front. But yeah, give her a full-on detail, full polish. Test out these new products. We've tried most of them, but haven't used the polish yet. Fair few people in the park, actually. All the nomads are, yeah, starting to head north, so starting to get a little bit busier. Diesel prices ain't stopping them. So they'll just, most of them we talked to said they'll stay in one place longer if they have to, and yeah, travel slower. Jared's cooking breakfast. He's cooking a omelette, but he's doing it inside a wrap. Oh, that looks good actually.
It's alright.
So yeah, there's the omelette there. So he put the omelette in the foil tray, and then
Wrap in the foil tray, and then
the wrap in the foil tray. Sorry, and then put the omelette, all the egg and stuff that he whisked up, and put it in the wrap, and then in the Ninja on air fry for how long?
probably 25-30 minutes, depends how big much.
On 180, yeah?
Yeah.
Looks good. Hopefully, she tastes good. Verdict, what's she like?
Nice.
Looks good. I've just smothered mine in sauce, because you never, ever have too much sauce. But yeah, looks nice. I haven't tasted mine yet. I'll go and taste it now, but Jared's nearly demolished his, so it must be good.
Yep.
I was just saying, 5 minutes ago, what a nice day it is today. It started pissing down with rain. Check this out. I'll swing this camera around. Man. Pissing down out there. So much for a nice day. Winston's outside, but now he wants to come back in. Doesn't like the rain, do you, boy? Hey? I'll bring you in. Hold on. Now unclip this. Go on. Inside. Come on. Jump in. Sit on your mat. Good boy. Aren't you? It's a bit chilly out there for you, isn't it? He doesn't like the cold. Jared just come back from out of the shower and it's pissing down. He went up to the shower block to have a shower. Didn't have one in the van. Get a bit wet on the way back.
Yeah, it's a bit slippery.
You fall over. Man, this clay here is so slippery, eh? When it rains, if you step on the clay, you're going arse over head.
Yeah, like you did one night.
Yeah.
When you was, yeah.
Nice what? Had a few too many beers.
Yeah.
So much for being a nice day.
I know. Not good.
Well, the rain has stopped and now the sun's out. But we've got to go Chemist Warehouse. So we'll go in the town and we need to go and get some chicken drumsticks because we're going to cook, or try to cook, homemade KFC tonight. So, yeah, what are we going to have with it? Jared. Don't know what we're going to have with it yet. Might do potato and gravy. because everyone is saying, because we're die-hard Maggi gravy fans, but a lot of people are sending us messages saying we need to try Bistoff, is it? Bistoff? The English gravy. You get it from the international section in Woolies, so we might even grab that and give that a crack and see if it tops Maggi. I don't reckon it will, but we might give it a crack. Yes, you're coming, Winston. You're not going to bring your ball, though. He wants to bring his ball. Man, Harvey Bay is busy today. Jared waited in Chemist Warehouse for an hour, or a bit over an hour, for his script. Went to Aldi, got the drumsticks to cook the KFC tonight, homemade KFC. Jared's just in Harvey Bay Wholesalers getting some paper bags for the markets because, yeah, we run out. They have some good stuff in Harvey Bay Wholesalers, eh? Like all bulk food at wholesale price, but they do have packaging and stuff in there as well. So heaps of meat, Maggi gravy, but in a 10 kilo tub, not a 2 kilo tub like we usually get. So, yeah, they got everything in there. Well, we're back from Harvey Bay. Man, what a mission that was. So busy in town. Can't believe it. Full of grey nomads, all the nomads. I don't know if I said before, but yeah, all the nomads are heading north. Get away from the winter. Put some washing on. It's meant to do washing yesterday and totally forgot about it. So, washing is going on. Water level high. Good old Audi washing liquid. So yeah, a lot of people ask where the wash machine is in the caravan. So it's on the other, under the other bench top, opposite the kitchen. So we've got two sort of bench tops either side of the kitchen. It's on the opposite side. You got that chicken out of the fridge, eh?
Yeah.
So yes, you can jump on our previous episodes. When was that? From like June, July, August last year. There's a complete series on the build of the caravan, so you can jump on and check them out if you want to. Get this washing on. Can have a beer later too, eh? You gonna wash the high ace?
I don't know. Where are you going to do it?
He was going to wash it on the site next door, but a van has come in since we've been gone. So, well, no, you don't have to. You can go on the other side.
I've not got a hose on. There's only one tap there.
Oh, well, it's no good. Oh, well. Another job we might put off. Winston's still outside. He's out of the car, yeah? Shut up, watch the machine. Washing's on, there's 2 loads to do, I reckon. I'll fit it all in 2 loads. Gonna have them for lunch.
Yep.
Yeah, if you tried these, oh, I was gonna show them. These sausage rolls from Aldi, they're good, eh?
Yeah, they're pretty good.
So,
You got to cook them.
yeah, you got to cook them. Already wrapped in the pastry and throw them in the Ninja. They're, yeah, spot on, beautiful. I'll give this give this van a little bit of a clean today too. Vacuum. I've got to vacuum every single day. OCD kicks in. Got the chicken for our homemade KFC tonight. Well, we'll see how she turns out. Hopefully, will turn out all right. And yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna put these footy shorts up on pre-order now, so I'll do the website now before we do a video on it. Jared.
Yep.
Log in, do this now, get it all ready. Got to pay the bloody accountant bill as well. Jump on and do that. And where are we? Get this ready to go live. So that's the homemade KFC. There. Potato and gravy you have them with it. Jared's got his gravy on there. Surprise at the markets. Our mates from Tassie rocked up for a surprise visit. That's them there. They hired a camper van, flew up from Tassie to Brisbane.
Yeah.
Hired a camper van for 25 days. Now just down the pier. We're going to go for a walk along the pier. Go and do all the touristy stuff, I guess.
Yeah, I suppose.
We went for a walk out on the pier with our mates Tash and Lockie, but it was so windy out there, so we didn't get any filming done. I did take the camera, but yeah, it was just so windy, then it started raining, so yeah, no filming, but we've just got back to the caravan and Jared's just made a pizza for lunch, so that's looking really good. We're going to eat that and then we're going to go over to Tash and Lockie's campsite, have a few beers this afternoon, come home, cook tea because it's going to be bed early tonight because it's going to be up at 3:30 in the morning for the market. So won't be a big night tonight. We had a fairly big night last night, Thursday, and they just arrived. So beers were on last night.